Peas, joke with mushrooms.
Don't post that on YouTube!
The candle's still broken? Oh yeah, that's I also broken. We're clearly for to make this. Okay, hey there guys, this is David Alexander, Count David Kingdom, and we're just making up for the golden play button for David's Kingdom, but in about 100,000 subscribers for the mission count. So we think we heard sequel as price is moored, and then it's a major on the prices, then we like the symbol of the code, and I don't have to say it's about to both like say it's about to not to completely. It's a first stump it and pop. It's like pop goes if I hand it, and then to loot this. Not really lost it. It's probably be like phoners, huh? that's kind of scary. So let's just try to make this the golden play button for the show is on YouTube from the box. So let's make it. Okay, so yeah, move this thing. Here's what I'm planning to do. We got scissors, yeah, tape, in a big notebook with the 1, 2, 3, 4. But when the holes in the greens, it's like scenes. Little spiral right here, it's red. Okay. And now you can see it's the thinking chair. The thinking chair had this saved. We always try to make this right now, but we know it's try to sad day if it's not fighting with each other. It's just like a male who's like shame. It's just like shame. You're like shame, but it's not a surprise. Alright, so let's make this and put it to the box. Alright. Put these on here. And seriously trying to hold this, alright? Okay, this build is called YouTube. The present to David Kingdom for present 100,000 subscribers. That's wonderful, the golden one. Alright, let's just try to hold this, shall we? I gotta be careful with this. Alright, so here's the how to take it together coming up. Put in there, you see what's up here, and like post, put it right here, post on, put it right here, slip onto the middle. Here. That's correctly. One more thing. And first thing you do, you have a which doesn't listen and sound like people. And forget it. For talking that to it, it doesn't say that. and put it right here, and put up to the boxing tape. Yep, and I think we don't want to get wet out there. I don't know, see that. Right there. Alright guys, I made it for this. I put it in to these on the boxing hose. So we have this squares on the rectangle. The play one is called yellow. You know, it's if you understand it, the yellow one. But so we think to make these videos, we're going to get like 100,000 subscribers, and it's just like minishing the confidence. And then that's a matter of the instructions. Permission for the guide for the sex it for the stop by for that, and then for they got this. So also we made this for us, and then with some people. This play button is a menace for the golden one. It's like a illustration now. It was screwed itself, it's like the bill at least fun, but don't have to be refined. So I know it has I know it was sad it was lost up, it was knocked over. So I know Wicked 5 was heard. One more thing. This green was a 2, and this is the sharing green and 2. I'm trying to just make this notebook for 10,000 hosts and put it to the red spiral for the hole punches right there. Where is the hole punch? Oh, right there. And then, oh wait. At the yellow, I think it's too big. Oh well. Now, only you can choose the yellow construction paper or the fighting this, but then it doesn't have it anymore. But then I like instructions. So we have this. One more thing, we have 3 play buttons, and this is how to bear for the play button, and this square had a play button, and this has the golden play button. We heard this, it's just for you. And yeah, it's just like Cananello's looking like, I think. And so I'm gonna try to make this notebook like a Blue's Clues thing. For not the eBay for less, because I'm printing last night for this, for the mission for paint 3D for 10,000 for 2016. I know people did it nothing on purpose. The new different shape is for the 3 play buttons. Okay. Alright. Okay, heard that. Okay, yeah. Alright, guys. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. This is subscribe to my channel for David Kingdom. And don't forget subscribe, like, comment down below, and don't forget to follow Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. For this one, with a play button, and I'm gonna make that notebook. Some right there. So try please forget me and accept apologies. Possibly no word. You know, follow everything with the David Kingdom. It was the videos or posting video for Facebook videos, and this Buddhist and extra instructions. And finally, every price of subscribe, David Kingdom Productions.